Imagine a scenario where you could generate an extra $900 daily without needing to edit videos, appear on camera, or even write scripts. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? Yet, with a few strategic moves, this could become your reality. In this discussion, I'll walk you through a system that leverages trending news articles to create viral videos, helping you potentially tap into significant revenue streams with minimal effort. The concept revolves around transforming trending news into videos, a process that is shockingly simple thanks to modern tools. You don't need to be a video editing expert or have any prior experience with content creation. Instead, all it takes is identifying trending topics, turning them into videos using a specialized tool, and then letting the viral potential of these topics do the work for you. First, let's talk about how you can find trending topics. The most reliable sources include tools like Google Trends and news aggregators such as Google News. These platforms allow you to tap into what people are searching for right now, giving you a direct line to the pulse of global interest. With Google Trends, you can filter by country, time, and even get a breakdown of sub-trending topics, which can be gold mines for content creation. For instance, a topic might just start gaining traction, and by creating a video about it before it fully peaks, you stand to capture a huge wave of views. Once you've identified a topic, the next step is to convert it into a video. Here's where the real magic happens. Using a tool like InVideo AI, you simply paste the link to the news article into the tool, and within minutes, it generates a full-fledged video for you. You can even clone your voice using a voiceover feature, allowing you to create videos that feel personal without ever speaking directly into a microphone. But to truly stand out, personalization is key. While InVideo AI pulls in stock footage and creates a baseline video, adding your own footage or images related to the topic can make the video feel more authentic and engaging. For example, if you're making a video about a recent earthquake, including actual footage from the event can make your content more compelling, leading to higher viewer retention and engagement. The final piece of the puzzle is consistency. Success with this method isn't just about creating one viral video, but about consistently producing content. By posting multiple videos per day, you increase your chances of one of them catching on and going viral. Even if some videos don't perform well, the cumulative effect of regular posting can lead to substantial monthly earnings. This method isn't just theoretical. There are YouTube channels already using this strategy, consistently earning significant revenue. By leveraging trending news, creating videos quickly, and posting them regularly, these channels are raking in thousands of dollars daily. While results can vary, and it may take time to see substantial earnings, the potential is undeniable. So, if you're looking for a way to supplement your income with minimal time investment, this system could be the perfect side hustle. With the right tools and a bit of dedication, you could be on your way to creating a steady stream of revenue, all from the comfort of your home. Remember, the key to success is consistency and staying up to date with the latest trends. Give it a try, and who knows, you might just find yourself earning that extra $900 a day. Now, if you enjoyed this content, consider helping us grow this podcast by subscribing to WalletCast and discovering new interesting insights about the world of opportunities, business, and finance. I personally thank you for that. See you next time.